Greetings, Eric Backer, naturopath, author of Candida Crusher. Thanks for checking out this video, guys. My male yeast infection keeps coming back. It's driving me crazy. How can I get rid of it? Why doesn't it go away? I've done all the right things. I went to the doctor, took all the pills, took creams, listened to your advice. It's not going away. I'm really pissed about this. What's wrong with me? Why can't I get well? Well, the reason why it's not going away is because you're not making the right kind of changes, or you're not making the changes long enough to get the body well. It's as simple as that. Okay, it's something you're not doing right. So maybe you're living in a false sense, maybe you're doing things that you think are right, but perhaps they're not right. Maybe you're still having a couple of beers on a Saturday, but you're not drinking during the week, and you're thinking that cutting back is going to get rid of the candida. Maybe you're trying to do a healthy diet, but it's not really that healthy. You're still having some bad snacks here or there, okay? You're still sneaking the wrong kind of food here or there. You're committed, but you're not fully committed. That's the difference. It's like anything in life. Going the extra mile or prepared to do a little bit more than you should will usually give you the kind of results you're looking for. All right? I'm like that with YouTube. I keep on. So I'm not a person who ever gives up on anything in life. And that's probably why I got rid of my severe jock itch in 12 months. If you want to get rid of like really serious yeast infection, you can do it, no matter how bad it is. But you need to have the persistence, the commitment, and the dedication. Okay, I've got a saying which I like, and it's persistence breaks resistance. So if you persist with something long enough, there's no way in the world you're going to fail. You're going to break that resistance. You're going to get rid of that candida. It's going to go away, all right? And the good thing also is, not only is it going to go away, but you've learned. You've learned that you can actually get on top of this. So it's going to make you quite a strong person, okay? And then you'll understand when it comes back next time, you can beat it, but you can probably beat it a lot quicker because you can be even tougher on yourself. So the only way you're going to get rid of this thing is by doing it yourself. No doctor's going to do it. Okay, your mother-in-law won't do it, your wife won't do it, your girlfriend won't do it, or your boyfriend won't do it, or whatever friend you've got or person. Don't look at other people. You've got to look at yourself and look what you're doing wrong. Okay, look at the kind of ruts you're stuck in. Maybe you've got a dead-end job. Maybe you've got a dead-end partner. Maybe you're just not happy with life. Maybe you need to make some serious changes, all right? So there are a lot of reasons why you're not getting rid of this problem. But, the answer lies with you. It doesn't lie with anybody else. All right? Taking things like antifungals are going to help. Making the diet change is going to help. But making the combination of the lifestyle change, the attitude change, all those things together is going to give you the solution. And remember, it's commitment. You've got to stay on track. You've got to really be hard line about this if you want to get rid of this, especially if it's a bad problem and you're sick and tired of it ruining your life, your intimate life, or however else it's affecting you. If you want something bad enough in life, you can always get what you want by applying the right kind of principles and staying on track long enough. You'll get there. I've got no doubt about it. So just remember that one thing, what I said, the persistence, the determination, okay? Staying on track, following my advice in Candida Crusher. Go to yeastinfection.org. There's plenty of articles for guys you can read there on how to get on top of all kind of male yeast infections. Doing my quiz, if you go to candidacrusher.com, I've got the world's best quiz for yeast infection for male. Click on the little the male image there and just go through those pages and find out whether you're mild, moderate, or severe. And then follow my advice. Okay, I've worked with thousands of guys like you for a long period of time. I got many patients in Canada, America, Germany, the UK, Australia. I've treated jock itch for as probably long as I can remember. And I haven't met many guys yet that can't get on top of this problem, all right? So just take it from me. You can get rid of this thing permanently if you follow the right principles and you stay on track long enough. You don't have to live like I used to live in my 20s. It was hell on earth. I can remember what it was like having this jock itch. It was terrible. You can get major depression and anxiety. It can screw up your intimate relationships. And you can even get suicidal with this condition. There's no doubt about it. But the ball's in your court. It's all up to you. So don't forget that, okay? And I'm there with you all the way. I want to help you guys out, and that's why I make these YouTube clips. So check out my other YouTube clips and do my quiz. And we'll keep in touch. All the best.